Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add pieces on chess.com. So let's get into this video. Open up chess.com and log into your account. So once you're on your account here, once you've logged in, you'll be on your home page here. So here, what you're going to do on your left side here, left panel here, hover on to learn. And under learn, you will see an option called analysis. Click on analysis. All right, so once you click on analysis here, what you're going to do here is that this is where you can like add pieces. For example, this is your board here. So next on your right tab here, you'll see options here. So click on the first option called setup positions. So click on it, and once you get to here, so what you can do now here is you can like set up your pieces here. So you can like, if you want to remove some pieces, so you just click on it and then drag it out, so that will remove pieces. See, for example, like this, so it will drag out, so that will, you can remove the pieces, and then you can add pieces from here. See, you have pieces here, so you can add it, click and then drag it, and then just add your pieces here. And that's how you add pieces on chess.com. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.